Guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my YouTube channel dedicated to my ongoing beginner's journey in the world of watches. And in today's episode, I saw a couple of hours ago that there's a new One Piece Seiko collection that's coming out featuring, Luffy and the rest of the characters in the anime. And that made me think, shucks, I haven't unboxed and featured the collection of Seiko that came out several months ago. So I actually have it over here. This is the Seiko Luffy watch. So we'll take a closer look, unbox it, and check it out. So let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. This is a channel dedicated to watches. So if you're into this kind of thing, think about it, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you think of the watch. And our watch of the day, I am wearing this really nice G-Shock One Piece limited edition watch. Boom. So just with most of the anime collaborations of Seiko, this features the Seiko 5 automatic sports watch of Seiko. For the packaging, very nicely done, Seiko. Very, very nicely done. You have the art of Luffy with the ship over there. If you remove the top cover of the box, you actually get to see more design elements that's very familiar of the character. That's the scar, I think, that you find on his chest. Seiko 5, One Piece, his name over there. Really nice packaging. Of all the packaging that I've seen, definitely one of the very best. And if you pop it open, the watch is not here, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Very plush, very premium. Doesn't feel cheap at all, unlike the, the Street Fighter Seiko 5 collaboration. This is the Seiko 5 Luffy watch. Now, there are definitely a lot of elements that One Piece and Luffy fans will immediately recognize. First and foremost is that the straw hat is on the 12 o'clock position of the watch. Secondly, if you take a look at the markers, they're not your typical numbers, they're the fists of Luffy, which he usually uses when he does all of his moves where he punches repetitively with his techniques. You also have one of the hands which can be found on the 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock position like that. I think he does that pose for his level 3 or level 4 gear transformation. And then of course the color combination of red and yellow plus blue, those are the colors of his clothes, from his shorts to his shirt, as well as of course his hat. Other big elements here, you have the scar located at the dial, and you have that tattoo mark that comes out every time he transforms or he upgrades or levels up to that level 4-3 version of his. If you take a look at the back, it's actually transparent, so you can actually see through it, and you can see the automatic movement of Seiko, and you can see there it says One Piece Special Edition, Limited Edition. Now there's no number that I can see, but from what I could tell with what I read on research, apparently this is limited to 1,000 pieces, unless there is a number here and I'm not just seeing it properly. Limited edition. Yeah. There you go. I saw the number. It's over here. It's 662 out of 1,000. Not bad. Other things to note, diameter is 43 mm, making it very wearable for a lot of people with different wrist sizes. You do have hardlex crystal, so it is not sapphire crystal, so that's a bit of a bummer if you ask me. You also have a unidirectional bezel with a very nice click and a day-date completion that you can find on the 3 o'clock position of the watch. Surprisingly, for a Seiko watch, the alignment of the bezel with the markers, pretty good. Yeah, if you are a One Piece fan, if you are a fan of the anime and Luffy, this is one of the nicer watches that you guys can pick up. There is like a special edition version of this wherein the dial is gold. I wasn't able to buy that, but I actually have the rest of the collection over there in my watch cabinet. I'll probably do videos on the other pieces in the next few days as we lead up to the new collection of One Piece that's coming out. Now, where can you buy this? Well, this actually didn't come out in the Philippines, so there was no local release. So I think you can only buy it, or you could have bought it in Japan or in other markets. So definitely very happy to have this in my geek watch collection. So what do you guys think of the watch? Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you an anime fan? Are you a One Piece fan? Sino favorite character ninyo? Let me know. Okay, with that said, that's actually it for this very quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.